Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. Today we're going to make another gift for dad and embroider on an apron. I'll have everything I use listed in the description box below. And if you like this video, you learned something new, give your girl a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure your bell notifications on so you don't miss any of my craft tutorials. Alright guys, let's go ahead and start off by hooping our project, of course. And now for this project, I'm using 2 pieces of tearaway stabilizer. Really only because I'm out of cutaway. And I figure since this is just an apron, it's not like it's going to be worn all the time. Tearaway stabilizer should be fine. So now I'm just going to use this fold line, like that line down or center, as my center guide. And there's some notches in my hoop that I'm just going to go ahead and align up with that. Lets me know that's the middle and that is where I want to put my design. We're going to go ahead and pop it into frame. Then we're going to go ahead and upload our design from our USB into our machine, right? And to do that, we're just going to hit File, hit the red USB button, search for our design, and then hit the machine button on the right side, okay? And then we'll go ahead and hit the machine button, search for our file again, and hit OK. So now you see that my design is like turned sideways, so we're just going to go ahead and fix that. And to do that, we're just going to go into design set. And where you see all these F's, oops, wrong button, my bad, hold on y'all. So where you see all these F's right here, you're just going to go ahead and this is how you can flip your design. Now I always get confused with this part, you know, like as far as directions. So I kind of hit a couple different buttons until I get it correct. But once I finally figure it out, you're just going to go ahead and select it, hit OK. Then you're going to hit escape to get back to your main screen. Then we're going to go ahead and start off on needle number 1, like always. And we're going to go ahead and enter the colors of our design. Now, this design is only like 4 colors, so it's pretty simple. But we could actually do up to like 30 different color changes on this machine, even though it's just 10 needles. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So once I have my colors entered, we're just going to make sure that it's automatic and hit OK. So now that we have everything all set up, we're going to go ahead and lock the screen, and we're just going to go ahead and trace it a few times and make any adjustments on the machine if needed, as far as, you know, positioning of the design and whatnot. And don't forget, guys, everything I use will be listed in the description box of this video. And let me know in the comments what other kind of tutorials or designs or projects you guys would like to see me tackle, okay? And so once we have everything all centered, you guys already know we're just going to hit the start button. And that's honestly kind of it as far as this project goes. So if you guys are interested in this machine, but the price is throwing you off because this machine is definitely an investment, let's just say that you sold this apron for $40, which is definitely possible. So it's about 19,000 stitches. So let's just say one apron takes you 30 minutes to make. So you could do 2 aprons in an hour. So that would be $80 if you sold them for $40. So if you worked for 2 hours selling the aprons at $40 each, that's $160 you can make in 2 hours. Now a lot of people are getting their machines financed with their payments as low as $140 a month. So 2 hours of work and you guys, your monthly payment could be taken care of, okay? So don't get deterred from the price. It's definitely an investment, but it is definitely worth it because in the end you can make your money and so much more, okay? So once the machine is done stitching out, we're just going to go ahead and clean up any tails, tear away our stabilizer, and clean up the back. Now, if you guys like this video, you learned something new, go ahead and give your girls a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends and make sure your bell notifications on so you don't miss any of my upcoming craft tutorials. And here is the end result, you guys. What do you think? I absolutely love it. And for reference, my model is about 6'2", about 200 pounds. And this is what the apron looks like on him. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later.